Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. That breathing heavy isn't me, not this time anyway, it's Bo. Bo found this little rabbit and was a little bit too rough with him. Or her, I don't know, it's too small to tell really. Some people can, my eyes aren't that good anymore. So, I'm calling him Zip. Zip was hurt, but Zip was still zipping along. So I got Zip a little bit of food in there and some water. And I'm monitoring them pretty good to see. And I got him in this cage in a building by himself to kind of keep him warm. Not that it gets that cold, but him being by himself, he's used to being with his brothers and sisters. And I was reclaiming some overgrown areas, and the lawnmower must have scared him. Bo got to him, and I got Bo away from him because I noticed the way Bo was acting. His mannerisms had changed, so I knew he was on the trail or something, so I hollered at him. And then Zip went, and I checked Zip, and I think he'd be all right. I just need to doctor on him. So this must be the week of rescues. And this is the day after I got rid of the chimney swifts to I said got rid of. I got them to a wildlife rehabilitation specialist who's taking good care of them. I got a text from her today. Right time I got in contact with her, it was 30 minutes. They were in her hands, and then I got Zip, and I can take care of Zip. So I'll get her back on her's paws and let her go, unless I tame it, which I don't really have that kind of time to sit there and tame a rabbit, unless I hold it at night and just pet it and do a George on it like mice and men. But anyway, it is a hot one in North Carolina. I've been reclaiming land and burning stuff, and when I get done at night, I'm done for the day. But thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.